What's up, guys, man? Later on in the day here, man, got dressed, man. We went riding on the black bike earlier, but we're about to pull the blue bike out because some buddies from Vegas about to go ride, man. About to go link up and see what the slide is like, man. So let me pull this black bike out, get that out the way, and then pull this blue one forward, get that first start, cold start. Let's ride to the meetup spot, man. Let's get a cold start on this bad boy right here. Feel me? I ain't rode this one since I've been back, really. But we gonna slide it today, y'all. Gonna slide it today, man. Let's pull up and wipe our bike down there so they don't leave us. Feel me? Just pulled up. You see this joint? Big blue out here. Got some road glides. Got some bright lights. I think it's freaking bright on camera. That's crazy. Got the fat 23 on that joint. Thing looking good. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. Out here going to
Sugar finger itch, give me a reason. Whoa, cut throat, nigga. All my niggas greasy. Her titties big, and I suck them like I'm teething. Still got the plug on the middle finger.
Put it all in my song, baby. Told her got it all, but she still ain't grateful. For it all, but still ain't grateful. I wonder if I fall, will you be
Better get your whole far knock it. Hit my shot first time I snipe. Put a ring on the money, I ain't thinking about wiping. Let's be straight.
Hey, with me, if I had to lay for a while, would you wait on me? Had a pussy like any nigga playing fireball, get a technical. I just get six on the phone, so quick, K&A Block 20, close,
Miami, KFC, turn up. All these niggas in the club, but they say they want me. Smoking drink with a OG.
Man, just pulled up. Y'all see the bikes, man. They getting down. Installing some wheels on the red bike. Y'all just seen this one yesterday. Now it look like a whole completely different bike. Feel me? Big 23s and all that. I can dig that, man. That thing gonna be hard. Can't wait, man. You gonna get some sliding in tonight. So you know how we about to come. Yes, sir.
Sit up higher with that wheel now?
Huh?
Sit up higher with the wheel?
It feels like it.
Yep.
Yeah, he definitely tippy-toeing for sure. It look good though.
You gonna have nice calves.
By the end of it, right?
That thing look hard. Feel me? Out here about to slide. Got that blue thing out. Feel me? Y'all see what's going on. Got them joints. Yes, sir. About to get it in, man. It's freaking freezing out here. I ain't even gonna even hold y'all, dog. Alrighty, guys. Next morning here, man. That was a fun ride last night, but freaking cold. It was like 43 degrees, 37, and windy. But once you hop on this thing, man, the cold really doesn't bother you that much. I still got to order this windshield. I actually forgot all about this. Probably going to order that today. And then the black bike is back there. We got a chance to ride with some new people, seeing some dope new bikes. Man, you seen when he was riding, he had the regular stock wheels. Next day, he had the 23 through that thing on there on the red road glide. That thing was freaking sick. All the homies' bikes was sick and fast. Just makes me want to go into this blue one a little bit more, but I told myself I was gonna wait for a road glide to do so. So this one is gonna be going up for the giveaway here. If you guys haven't already, tune into everythingsregular.com. One ticket costs $100 and it's 150 entries in total. So one of you guys out of nearly 30,000 subscribers would have the chance to win the motorcycle. 150 slots. I'm sure they'll fill really fast. So make sure you guys go grab your tickets. Each ticket is $100. Spots are 150 slots in total. So make sure you go grab that now if you want a chance to be entered to win for the blue bike. The black bike should be gone pretty soon, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Still got a few parts here for sale. Let me know what y'all want to do. So already, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're digging the ride we rode yesterday and some of the rides, man, be sure to give your boy a thumbs up. Man, that was a pretty sick ride. Can't wait to hop back out there, man. It's bright and early. The first start of the day of the week. So, you know, we got to get it going, man. Try to make something happen. We got a big motorcycle event coming up towards the end of the week. Hoping I can make it out there. I know it's nothing stopping me back, but kind of want to go with some of the homies. So we'll see what happens there, man. But without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Make sure you go get your ticket for the blue bike, man. We are going live today. So I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Peace.